Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Blissful sleep in comfort is something that I'm always looking for. That's why I really love the set of headphones. This is from EaseUP. These are a sleep mask and headphones all in one. You'll notice looking up close that the fabric is so soft and comfortable, and it is in person just as much as it looks on camera. The eye mask itself is dark, so you really do not let any light come in when you have these on. The headphones are also a nice clear sound, and the mask itself is adjustable so that it will fit a variety of different sizes. They're easy to operate thanks to all the functionality at the front, and they connect so that you can recharge them, and the charge lasts for 10 hours. So you could easily use these if you were traveling in the car or on a flight. I really love that I can put these on whether it's just for relaxing during the day for a few minutes, or if I'm sleeping, they're very comfortable for sleeping on your side. The padding inside is nice and cushy, and you can really feel like you're totally relaxing with these on. So if you're looking to transport yourself into a world where you can block out everything for a few minutes while enjoying beautiful sound, definitely go with this pair. They're lightweight, they're compact, and they sound wonderful. But that's just my point of view.